Welcome to this tutorial on how to share a group message on WhatsApp using your PC. With the latest updates, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to manage and share messages across different platforms. Today we're going to walk you through a simple process that allows you to share messages from a WhatsApp group directly from your computer. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't already, you can access it by going to the WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats listed on the screen. Next, locate and open the group chat where you want to share a message. This is as straightforward as clicking on the group name in your chat list. Now find the specific message you want to share. This could be a funny joke, an important announcement, or anything else that you think others might find interesting. To share the message, right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options, including Share. Click on this option to proceed. WhatsApp will then give you the choice of where you want to share the message. You can send it to another WhatsApp contact or group, or even copy the link to share it elsewhere, such as on social media or via email. Sharing messages from WhatsApp groups is incredibly useful, especially if you want to pass on information quickly or share something funny with friends who aren't part of the original group. With these simple steps, you can easily share content across different platforms without having to manually copy and paste text or screenshots. This feature is not only convenient, but also saves time. Whether you're sharing updates with colleagues or funny memes with friends, WhatsApp's sharing feature makes it all possible right from your PC. So, go ahead and give it a try. Open WhatsApp, find your message, right-click to share, and choose where you want it to go. It's that easy.